top story, the leadership debate has revived in the BJP on the party's foundation day. Senior party leader Vijay Goyal has said that it will be L.K. Advani who will lead the government in 2014. Speaking at a function, L.K. Advani himself has said that he does not approve of the going-ons in the party. He said that the party is not being run as per his idea of the BJP and that many leaders who have toiled for years are being left out.
पार्टी तो अटल जी और आडवाणी जी ने दो शख्सों ने मिलकर खड़ी करी। आज वो अस्वस्थ हैं, पर आडवाणी जी के नेतृत्व में मैं समझता हूं अगली बार 2014 के अंदर हमारी सरकार बनेगी, किसी और की नहीं बनेगी जाकर।
इन दिनों में मैं जो कभी-कभी बातें सुनता हूं, कम से कम मेरी कल्पना भारतीय जनता पार्टी की या भारतीय जनसंघ की जो रही उसके साथ मेल नहीं खाती। और आज के स्थापना दिवस पर मैं जानबूझ करके ये बातें साफ तौर पर कह रहा हूं, क्योंकि मैं मानता हूं कि इस पार्टी के द्वारा देश का जितना भला होगा वह भला इस आधार पर नहीं होगा कि हम कितने स्थानों पर सरकार प्राप्त कर लेते हैं, वह तो जरूरी है, लेकिन कितनी मात्रा में हम अनैतिक आचरण के साथ समझौता करने को कभी तैयार नहीं होंगे।
All right, our Deputy National Bureau Chief Sumit Pandey joins us for more on that story. Sumit, Vijay Goyal's statement, does it reflect clear divisions within the BJP?
Well, it basically shows that there are many prime ministerial candidates in the BJP, as has been the case for the last many years. Ever since in the post-Vajpayee era, we have had leadership issues, unresolved leadership issues, which have been festering within the party. And in the run-up to the 2014 elections, probably in the next 12 months, those divisions or those ambitions probably would be coming out more openly now. Some subtly and some very obviously. Vijay Goyal's statement comes after, even Narendra Modi indicating towards his willingness to assume a larger role within the BJP at the national politics, at the national level. Rajnath Singh, when making his speech, also made some very important points, and in fact on a very similar lines to what he did in the BJP National Council last month, wherein he sought ovation for Narendra Modi from the entire audience, from the BJP workers. He had sought that because Narendra Modi had won a third consecutive victory. On the BJP's foundation day, he once again did a similar thing and asked that party workers should stand up and clap for L.K. Advani, in fact trying to draw a parallel there. But L.K. Advani in his speech, I think, was very, very clear. In fact, continuing from his earlier speech at the BJP council, where he was trying to introspect within the party, trying to raise issues, especially on the issue of corruption, alluding towards what the party had to face on the issue of Yedurappa in the state of Karnataka, and asking party that on the issue of corruption there should be no compromise in run-up to the next general elections.
Right.